Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash the like button, make sure the bell notification is lit, and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys check out Feg Token. We're going to turn up a bit, okay? Because there's some amazing things going on with Feg Token, and I want you guys to turn up with me. This is the vibe that we're bringing to Feg Token. I'm also going to invite you guys tomorrow to Feg Fridays. Yeah, we're turning up again, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to turn up today. We're going to listen to some Feg music. We're going to check out Feg prices today. We're going to check out the latest and greatest coming from the official website, or the official socials, I should say. And we're going to turn up together. We're getting close to Feg Fridays. Let's face it. It's been getting turned up. We got over 40 something thousand views on TikTok on that. So that says something. So let's turn up really quick while you guys smash the like button. What? Where they at? What? Where the Feg Gorillas at? Where you guys at? You guys hit the like button? You're gonna buy some Feg? Oh yeah. I'm gonna tell you guys where you guys gotta go. Oh yeah. You gonna buy the dip? And you know I'm gonna buy, the dip. Decentralized and fig it up. All of us. All right. I'm having fun, man. As you guys can tell, I mean, it is the bull cycle. I hope you guys are having fun as well. Make sure you guys give Feg Token a follow at Feg Token. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Now let's go over the latest and greatest after we just turned up a little bit together. We're going to be talking about what they got on the socials. Obviously, we're going to do some price predictions, some technical analysis. Everybody's always DMing me about that. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. But let's make sure that we get this video to 100 likes. Let's make sure we also like and retweet everything coming off of the official Feg X account. So think smart. Are you ready to think smart with us? Let me know down in the comments. Are you ready to think smart with us? That's something that's a good question. Here's the solution for this young lady, I believe. Okay, so this is a solution for her. Don't spoil the fun. Embrace the power of meme culture in the crypto world without sacrificing substance. Launch a meme project that's not only entertaining, but also backed by solid technology and real utilities. We know that we're talking about the SmartDefi launchpad absolutely 110%, because you're coming out the gate with staking. You're coming out the gate with the lending protocol. You're coming out the gate with asset backing. I mean, you name it, and you're coming out the gate with this as a project. So you'll be like no other meme project coming out the gate. And let's not forget to mention that it is audited by the GOATs, Peg Shield, into space. Okay, so next we got think smart. Number one, pre-sales. Don't kill your launch. All right, let's read this. This is important right here. Unlock the potential of your project's debut with our LGE, liquidity generating event. Pre-sale technology. Ensure a stable launch by preventing premature sell-offs and enhance security with MEVBot protection. Experience unmatched launch satisfaction. So let's break this down a little bit, right? Because the LGE pre-sale, it is a brand new technology, and it is kind of something that I think is going to revolutionize the space as far as when projects launch. Because if you guys have ever been in a pre-sale, which I'm sure a lot of you guys have, hit the like button, leave some comments down below. I'm sure a lot of you guys have experienced it. I know I have, where, you know, you're bullish on something and it takes off and you want this pre-sale to do good. But what happens? You know, it not dumps because maybe the project needed to take some profits off the table in order to develop some things. But what happens is the people who are not informed enough, that creates a little bit of panic, and it's hard to build that momentum again. So to think that, you know, people can participate in that liquidity generating event and have the upside potential of making profits off of that. Plus, if they wanted to, not financial advice, make gains off of the liquidity, right? Off the transactions of the liquidity. But if they wanted to just say, forget it and just leave, they wouldn't hurt the project nor the vision of the investors, the long-term vision of the investors. Okay. So, and the MEVBot is something that we touched on, and if you guys missed the last space, RTR Crypto came in and talked about that MEVBot, which is going to be for every smart DeFi project, to making sure that you guys are not getting sandwiched, okay? Make sure you guys watch some videos on your orders being sandwiched. That's when you're not getting enough of, when you're supposed to get more tokens and your orders being sandwiched, so you're not getting all those tokens that you're supposed to get for that same price. Next, we got second, loans. This is something that's super bullish. Imagine a meme project, not only entertaining, not only is it fun, but a meme project that can bring out loans. That's crazy right there. So I love that about this ecosystem. Number two is loans. Don't hurt your credit rating. Let's not mess up. Let's not do no, what is a hard pull, soft pull on your credit score. Transform your financial strategy with a payday loan killer. Why compromise your credit rating or burden yourself with high interest rate debt? Choose Smart Loan for a smarter, safer borrowing experience. Even if it was not just for, okay, because I love this. Like, Effect Token's always looking out, and yeah, this is a smart loan, and you can think of it like a payday loan and these things, but just sometimes if you're involved in crypto nonstop, somebody like me who does crypto every day, all day, this is how I get paid. If I don't want to sell my Bitcoin right now and I want to make sure that I'm still exposed to that upside potential of Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever smart DeFi token that I'm holding, I can take out a loan. Not only can I take out a loan against those tokens, but let's say I don't want to pay that loan off, I just burn those tokens, and then again, I don't even hurt the chart. What? That's different right there. So not only are we not hurting the chart with the liquidity generating event, but also if you take a loan against your tokens, not only do you not hurt your credit score, but you also don't hurt the chart or don't hurt the project. If you just want to say, you know what, I'm a little bit backed up, I can't pay this thing, I'm just gonna let those tokens burn, and that's it. It is what it is. I'm gonna charge it to the game, like they say. But that's okay. It's okay. They're yours. That's why the asset backing is so crucial. But it doesn't even hurt the chart. That's amazing right there. I mean, that's like no other. Honestly, that's like no other. Obviously, I'm super bullish on it. Number 3, think smart. Tokenomics. Let's go over this. Let's cover this. I mean, we got some juicy stuff that, I'm sure we're going to go over tomorrow on Fake Fridays. And also, potentially some giveaways. So make sure you guys tap in, okay? I need you guys to tap in with me, okay? Make sure you guys go crazy. I mean, on TikTok, I'm going to show you guys the number. We got 41K. We're doing things that we never done before. So people are FOMOing in to these spaces, these Fake Fridays. They're cool. They're hyped. They're fun. They're for us. So think smart. Number 3 is tokenomics. Don't hold your project back. Sustain your project's competitive edge with our customizable tokenomic solutions. From inception to maturity, ensure your project thrives with strategies tailored to every phase of its life cycle. Now, let me break that down, right? Because that's fancy talk, and I love fancy talk, right? We keep it pro over here, but let me break it down for everybody. What this is saying is a lot of times when contracts are made and they get a developer to make them, which are not audited, they got to find some developer that they have to trust, obviously, to make this contract. But a lot of times it's not customizable afterwards. And then if the project's vision changes, you can't never adjust those tokenomics. So that would put a strain on the project. So giving the project that flexibility of the customizable tokenomics, it's huge for the short-term and long-term longevity of projects. And like they said right here, their life cycle. You never know. So I think that's very bullish. Let's continue on down. Let's like and retweet this. Number 4. This was the meme one that we have. I liked it. I used this for a thumbnail because I love the gorilla, man. If you're a gorilla, OG gorilla, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's up. So we got number 4 is meme. Don't spoil the fun. Embrace the power of the meme culture in the crypto world without sacrificing substance. Launch a meme project that's not only entertaining but also backed by solid technology and real utility. What we covered with when they let that young lady know what was up with Smart DeFi. So that's what we have on their official social. That's what's going on. But I need you guys to understand that tomorrow we're gonna be Fake Fridays, man. It's been turning up. And just to show you guys that people are FOMOing in on Fake Fridays, look, it went this fast. I'm pumped up. We got another gorilla. Big shout out to fellow gorilla right here. We're pumped up. We're like lit. 14K. We're like, whoa, that's going crazy. We're letting people know. Sheesh. 14K. More finding out about this amazing code we call Smart DeFi. That's 14K. 14,000 more people hearing about Smart DeFi. Then we go on, scroll down, and it's like, wait a minute. 41,000? So if you love Smart DeFi, if you've been grinding with us these years, or even if you're new and you're just bullish on this new technology that obviously is going to revolutionize the space. Obviously, there's nothing else like it. It's new. It's true DeFi. If you want to help out spread the word, I need you guys to smash the like button. I need you guys to tap in with us, not only on my YouTube channels, but also our TikTok as well. Make sure you guys give Feg Token a follow, feg.token. You guys see us going crazy. 44,000, about to hit 45,000. I mean, we are pulling some numbers over here. And I mean, like never before. And I'm not saying anything about these posts, but 44,000, I mean, almost 45,000. Something's happening. So Feg is getting trendy, and it's going to get sendy as well. This was something by Uncle Cha I want to mention right here, because this is what Feg Token is about. What a great day we had yesterday as we went on a sponsored bike ride to raise money for Patrick's stem cell treatment. Big shout out to Patrick. Much love, much respect. A fellow young gorilla. That's what I want to say. Yeah, a fellow young gorilla, Patrick. Big shout out to him. Even Sir Bradley Wiggins gave his full support right here. Good deeds make you feel good, but my is sore. So I guess Uncle Cha got his workout, and let's like and retweet this, because this is one of the epitomes of like, you know, Feg tokens. Like this is just, and that's a route right there. Oh my God, 4 hours. Oh yeah, you're sore, buddy. Oh yeah, you better be ready for tomorrow. You better be ready for tomorrow. So we got this. Let's get to the prices, right? Let's get to the prices. What people want to know about as part of the hype. You know, people are loading up before that SmartDefi launchpad. Remember, all people, my bad for tapping the mic, all people that are tapped in with SmartDefi or with Feg token and have their Feg token staked, they will be getting SmartDefi tokens on top of that. I've done videos where I do a deep dive, so I'm not going to go into that right now. We'll touch on it a little bit tomorrow, because I think it's very bullish to talk about as far as everybody who staked their Feg token. Watch the how to stake video, how to buy video first. So you buy your Feg token, and then how to stake, where I showed you how to do it right on this UI right here, where you guys can tap in and stake your Feg token and get ready for SmartDefi launchpad. Then it's going to get sendy. It's going to go crazy. 30% of all those projects liquidity that are being made are going into Feg token. The chart's going to go crazy. Watch. Next will be the smart loans. This is stuff that we're going to be using on a day-to-day basis right off of this UI. Even the SmartDefi projects. That is so bullish. That is so bullish. That is utility right out the gate. We're not playing around. We're not playing around over here. But short term, let's load up our bags. Not financial advice. I'm going to be loading up my bag. All underneath, deleting to zero. We all know that things get a little sendy when they get above, you know, deleting to zero. If we hold a support above that, that's going to be our threshold. Really, as far as market cap, you know, it's going to go $40 million, $45 million, or 45, 50, 55, 60, and so forth. So getting above that 50 or getting above the $45 million market cap, and then making a support above that to push towards the $50 million market cap will be bullish, of course. Let's check it on the ETH side. It's going to be the same for the market cap, but there is the opportunity for arbitrage. Those who are interested, you can see the price difference on ETH compared to BNB, 69.96. Those are the prices headed his way to also delete the zero. So 69.96, and we have 79.48. So arbitrage opportunity right there. Okay, you guys reading between the lines what I'm trying to tell you guys. There's some money on the table right there, but we will be pushing towards deleting that zero once again. And I believe that Feg token, of course, is a $1 billion project all day. We right now will go towards this $50 million market cap, make a support above that, get into the hundreds of $1 million market cap. And anybody who's an OG or veteran knows that it got so crazy and it happened so fast. And once we get into hundreds of million, that's just how it happens. It's just overnight. You better be going to sleep with your moon boots on. It can happen any moment, any minute. And who knows? SmartDefi, same thing. Any moment, any minute, it can happen. You know, we're getting a lot of the audits back. That's why these Feg Fridays are important for you guys to tap in, because I don't even know. They could surprise not only you, but also me on these Feg Fridays, when next thing you know, they just say, you know what? Boom. SmartDefi, we're going to take off. And we've been talking about it. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of alpha if you made it to this part of the video. When SmartDefi is live, we will be doing SmartDefi Saturdays. So make sure your ducks are in a row. You guys know what I mean by that. So I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. And until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.